Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Binance identity verification failed. If you don't see this verified button and it's failed, then what you want to do is make sure you don't already have an account with the same basically email and name. You want to use just one account on Binance. After that, you also want to make sure that your country is allowed on Binance. So as you can see, there is countries and regions which are available on Binance. You want to go ahead and check out the countries and regions where Binance is available. And if it's not available in your country, you will need to use VPN maybe. So you can go ahead and use, for example, NordVPN. I'm just going to leave a link in the description for you. As you can see, you will get 69% off, and it will cost €4 per month or even less when you sign up for my link. Now, after you've done that, you want to make sure that you're not missing any information that may cause failed verification. So you want to use your passport or ID or driving license document, and you want to make sure that you write down everything correctly. So that's basically it. It should be approved if you do everything correctly and make photos of your documents correctly. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.